What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, Prodigee were kind enough to send me out these two cases. So pretty much this is the flow case from your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So pretty much we have one in with a black rim and a clear back, and then we have one with this kind of colorway to it. I don't know the name of the colorway, but we're going to unbox both of them. And I'm going to let you see what it looks like to have both of these on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first, let's go with the regular color. Nothing too fancy with this one. But this is not a black, my bad. This is actually a two-tone. So it's like a purple at the top and then like a blue at the bottom with MagSafe capability. It looks like black on the phone on the picture, but it's not. So pretty much we're just going to place my iPhone 16 Pro Max in like so. You do get a nice lip. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should have nothing to worry about. You do get buttons, a power button. You do get access to that control button, camera control button, no problem. At the bottom here, you do get access to your USB-C charging port, speakers. Down here, you do get access to your alert slider, which is nice, tactile. You do get access to your volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky, no problem. At the top here, you get nothing. And on the sides here, it has little ridges down in the inside. This is what the back looks like. I actually like that because at the top, it's like a maroonish color, and down here, it's like a bluish hue, and you can kind of see that on the phone. The camera's not doing it any justice, but you do get a raised lip around your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the camera, you should be good to go. So next, we're going to open up the next one that we have, which is, like I said, it's still called the Flow, but this is in a different kind of color, but it's a two-tone color just like the first one. So I feel like this next case will go good if you had the desert titanium. So pretty much this is going to be the exact same case, just in a different color, but we are going to just place it on real quick so you can see what it looks like. Oh, that's nice. Look at the back. It's like a yellow, and then it's like a maroon down here. I actually like that. I don't know if I'm going to rock it that much, but I actually like that. And once again, you do get access to your power button, access to your control switch for camera, taking photos, no problem. Down here, you do get access to USB-C charging port, speakers, your volume up and down button, alert slider, because this is the exact same case, so it's going to feel and look the same like this one. It's just two different colors. On the back, you do get that cutout for your camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should have nothing to worry about. In the comment section below, let me know what you think about this case, and I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick up both of these cases for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.